Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kamil Nazmi, and I'm from this group represent Fourier series for MAT565 group assessment. Our group mate is myself, Muhammad Kamil Nazmi bin Abdul Kahar, Muhammad Afif Haziq bin Azmi, and lastly Muhammad Syakiran bin Muhammad Nasir.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Syakiran bin Muhammad Nasir. I'm to present about four series. Okay. Definition of four series. A four series is a way of representing a periodic function as a possible infinite sum of sine and cosine function. It is analogous to a Taylor series which represent function as possible infinite sum of monomial term. Okay, four series is the circle and wave equivalent of the Taylor series. Assuming you are unfamiliar with that, the four series is simply a long intermediating function that break down any periodic function into simple series of sine and cosine wave. It baffling concept to wrap your mind around, but almost any function can be expressed as series of sine and cosine wave created from rotating circle. The last implication of the four series is application to non-periodic function through the Fourier transform has provided one of the principal method analysis for mathematical physics, engineering, and signal process. In this Fourier series, there are a few related subchapters. Okay, first one, definition of periodic function. Okay, next, Fourier series, and lastly, half-range Fourier series.
I will continue the presentation. My name is Muhammad Afif bin Azmi. I will talk about the definition of the periodic function. The period of the function ft is the interval between two successive repetitions. In the middle of the slide, we can see that the graph of sine wave in the vertical path, which is ft, and the horizontal path is t time, and p equal to 2 pi is when one successful wave. Next, the Fourier series. The Fourier series is the main topic. The Fourier series is an infinite series of expansion involving trigonometric function, which is fx on the below, and AO, AN, BN we can determine by using the formula. Thank you.
Lastly, about the half-range Fourier series. Conversely, the Fourier series of an even or odd function can be analyzed using half-range definition. The Fourier series of half-range even function is defined as this formula. The coefficient of AO, AN, BN are also using this formula. That's all for the half-range Fourier series. For the application in real life, your own body are also performing a Fourier analysis by listening to our video. Ears make a Fourier to process sounds. Inside the inner ear, there are thousands of hair cells with a variety of length like this. Because of the hair are different length, they resonate at different frequency. For example, long hair will pick up with lower frequency, and short hair will pick up with higher frequencies. When a complex wave enter the ears, the hair help the brain to break it down into individual frequencies. As you know, this is a sine wave, and this is what sound wave will sounds like. For a complex sounds like a sawwoof wave, this is a sawwoof wave looks like, and this is a sawwoof wave sounds like. A sawwoof wave can be decomposed into a sum of sine wave of different frequencies. Basically, a complex wave is a combination of simple wave together, and this is what it will sounds like when we decompose a sawtooth wave. instead of the total sound wave that the brain sees, instead of the total wave that the brain sees, a bunch of simple sinusoid with a different amplitudes and frequency. Then combines the processed sound wave rather than taking the actual sound wave. As a whole, the brain is able to process the same information by analyzing individual sinusoids. That's all from us. Thank you.